Hello and welcome. In this video we shall look the different selection method available in AutoCAD. Generally we use selection method whenever a command is active, a command such as move, copy, rotate, scale, etc. When you select these commands, you will be asked to select objects. That is when it comes into play. Let's try some examples. Take a move command. Now I will use window selection to apply this. Select and drag your cursor from top left to right bottom, just like this. Also select this rectangle, select top left and drag to the bottom. If you are selecting objects using this window, the object must lie within enclosed window, otherwise it will not be selected. Let's say if I try to select it, it will not be selected. And if you want to select these two circles inside here, you can do that. Just click a point and drag your cursor so that these two circles are selected, and you can move just like this. Similarly, crossing window is same as window selection method, but when selecting cross window, you have to start from top right going to the bottom left, and it has these dotted blocks. And what is important about this crossing window is when selecting objects, you don't need to enclose the whole object as we did window selection. Here you just drag your selection from top right and touch the object. That is all you need. The object is selected. If I want to select this circle plus the lines inside here, what you do is pick a point from top right and touch this circle and the lines, because the lines are separate objects. Notice that if I touch only a circle and one line, it will be selected only those which this window touched. So if you want to select all the lines, you need your window to cross these lines just like this. And what is amazing about this method is if it follows any object from any point, regardless of its size, it will select. You can even start your selection from bottom. The core principle about this method is when dragging your cursor, you must go from right to left. Similarly, if you want to remove any object from selection, you just press and hold Shift key and select object. Once again, they will be removed from selection. If I want to remove this polygon, hold Shift key and select polygon. This is important when you don't want to lose multiple selected objects. And if you want to select all the objects in your current drawing, simply type ALL at command prompt and press enter so that all the objects will be selected. Then you can remove the object which you don't want in your selection by holding Shift key and choosing the object you want using one of the two methods we have explained. Next we shall explain window polygon method. If you want to select these yellow circles from the rest circles so that you may move or change its position, in that case we use window polygon. For example, type M for move at command prompt and press enter. Now it is asking to select objects. Type WP to initiate window polygon selection. It is asking to pick points for the polygon, so just start picking points like this. Make sure you don't cross or touch any circle. All yellow color circles has to be included. When done, press enter and enter again to finish the selection. Then you can move and reposition somewhere else. We will use crossing polygon to select this once again. So type M for move command and enter. Now the prompt says select object, but before that let's initiate crossing window. Type CP on your keyboard and press enter. Now it is asking to pick points for crossing window. It is similar to window polygon, but the way of choosing points are different. Select this point, to start with the selection. Then you can go on picking points, but you don't need to include the circle to be selected. In this case, in this method, just touch the circle, it will be selected automatically. Here also, just touch and move on to where you started from and press enter. Enter again. Now you can move them just like this. In this chapter, I will end here.